It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. I have a Halloween haul. My fingers were green because I just brought my big cauldron out on the patio and put Lush Lord of Miserol into the cauldron. I'll have a video up in a little bit. That's a good one, you guys. Oh my gosh, you got to get Lord of Miserol for Halloween. It's awesome. But right now, I got a Dollar Tree haul. Oh my gosh, I love these signs, by the way. They're starting to put more and more Halloween in Dollar Tree. Last week it was pretty bad. I mean, there was like nothing there. They're starting to put stuff out. So I got welcome. You know why I love these signs, especially as a YouTuber? For some reason, they work really well in my background. They just absorb the light in just the right way, and I like hanging them around. So that is cool. I got Beware. I have my Beware from last year, and now I have my Orange Beware. I'm gonna have to incorporate these into my decor back here. I have Haunted. I like Haunted. This one is cool. And then the fourth one I got, it might reflect the light a little bit too much. Not really, it's not bad. I got Spooky. How fun is that? So I got those signs, $1.25. You know how Dollar Tree does. It's not $1 anymore. I also got, check it out, I got some bags. Always love having the bags around the house in case I need to gift anything off. Two for $1.25 is not bad. And then I got Fang-tastic. I thought that was super cute. I also got, check it out, I got some pot holders. I love the Halloween pot holders. These are adorable and they're actually pretty good quality. I thought these were cute. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, you know it's Halloween. And then I got, they say 31, boo, but I was like, yeah, now I get some Halloween pot holders. What else did I get here? Here's my other bag. Okay, so it's kind of funny. I also went to Mark's, which is the discount store in Cleveland. They got a lot of good Halloween stuff. I got the big cauldron there. It was like $3.99 or something. That's what I used for my Lush demo. But I also got another one of these bottles. These are great. These were $1.99 at Mark's. They had a whole bunch of these. I got the green one and the orange one. I should have got the purple one. I knew there was one I was missing. But these are so neat. They actually look nice. I mean, for $1, I'm like, these look so cool. So I got that one. And then this stuff's from Dollar Tree. I got, check it out. I got a little black candy bucket here. I gotta love the candy bucket. I got candy corn. This is actually from March. I got a lot of candy corn. And then, I got spider venom. I like to put these around on my coffee bar. I thought that was super cute. Check it out. The scarves are rolling in. You know how much I love my Halloween scarves. I don't know if this one was from last year. I'm trying to look at last year's. I think it's a little bit different. It seems like the skulls are a little bit larger on this one. And then I got the black one. I'm hoping we get more Halloween scarves. I love the Halloween scarves. And then I got these cute little books. I got Spells, Curses, and Hexes, and then I got the Book of Skulls. These are cute. They're kind of fun to put like little Halloween gifts in. So I got that. And then I'm also going to do a little bit of a store walkthrough right here, show you what my Dollar Tree looks like. So here we go. We have some cool decor. We have the bats. We have the pumpkins. We've got pipe cleaners, all different Halloween crafts. It's funny because the shelves are kind of empty in spots, but then they're filling in, which is nice. There's the pot holders I got. Check it out. They've got cookie cutters. They have got some more kitchen stuff. They have got molds. And then the wall of skeletons. This wall is actually looking pretty good. If you're looking for outdoor decor, I feel like they've got some decent stuff at Dollar Tree. I might go back, check it out. There are spiders. There are lots of skeletons, witches, ghosts, all kinds of good stuff. They've got these little, almost like fences that you can put up in your front yard. I'm thinking about getting some of those. Those are super cute. And then finally, we have all of the bags, lots of bags, buckets. They're just starting to put stuff out. Lots of boxes sitting around, bats, pumpkins, spiders, ghosts, all kinds of good stuff for Halloween. I like to use Dollar Tree for Halloween because it's so inexpensive, even at $1.25. I feel like I'm not spending a fortune on stuff that, is not going to be up like all year. Those are the signs. I really like these signs. Lots of good stuff. Hopefully, we're going to see more stuff rolling into Dollar Tree Halloween. I like to buy like little stickers and stuff and scarves to put with our Etsy stuff. My mother always puts all kinds of extra goodies for Halloween and fall and Christmas when people buy stuff from Etsy. And we usually use like Mark's, Dollar Tree, Target. We got some cool pins. So we like shopping these places. So anyway, I thought it was a pretty good haul. I'm excited. I have more Halloween stuff as if I need more. I'm on Halloween overload. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.